Hello everybody and welcome to a new video. This is the last video of the Forbidden Basement where we are going to take a look at steps 3, solve the riddles, and piece together your escape, number 4. So, if you recall from my last video, and obviously you can see here, I finished the whole puzzle. It is amazing, it is beautiful, it is different from the picture like we expected before. As you can see, this couch right here is facing the other way. There's nothing here like we can see here. Like I said, the obvious place for the inheritance to be would be the vault that we can see right here, the little safe. This is a skeleton obviously, and we are looking for the inheritance of a dead relative, which makes me think that this is the dead relative. And the skeleton is holding a little note right here, which has also a safe or a vault, however you want to call it. Looking at the puzzle, I can see some obvious clues or riddles. For example, there's obviously the note here. There are some numbers here which are not easy to see, but they're right here. There's also a note with more numbers here. There's different shapes here with numbers as well. So let's take a look at all the riddles. Like I did with my previous video, I want this to be a guide, so I'm going to be using the web page given by Ravensburger to actually solve this. So I'm going to issue right here a spoiler alert. Right here we have the answer for that puzzle. So at the end of the video, I'm going to open this envelope right here and reveal the answer, which is, I imagine the answer will be where the inheritance is. So let's go to the website. So now we are here in the website, and as you can see, there are some clues that I already pointed out, like the paper right here that has the sums, the jars right here that have shapes in them. There's the numbers and the stairs that I already mentioned, and the paper right here that also has the safe, as this one right here. There are some things that I didn't see, that I didn't think actually they were part of the riddles, but those pictures right here are part of the riddle. Also this box right here, also this paper right here, and I noticed it in the box. It doesn't show this, but in the actual puzzle you can see the words something like in vino veritas or something like that. So let's just go ahead and look at the clues. Number one, we are focusing on the box right here. Let's see what that is all about. Number one is which trophy goes with which animal. I'm not sure which animals it refers to, but I can see the bear, the boar, the fish, a little rabbit right here. There's some rats. So let's see number two. The Roman numeral on the animals matches the number to look for. Okay, so this definitely is the bear, the boar, and the fish. They have Roman numerals. Right here, the fish, right here, the bear, and right here, the boar. So let's see, number three is the sequence of the trophies is the sequence of the numbers. So you can see here the trophies. So let's see clue number four. The first trophy is a tusk for the boar, so number 3. The bear claws is the second one, so a 5. And the third trophy is hare's paw, so number 4. And the fourth is the fish, which is a number 8. So the number is 3548. Now moving on to clue number 2, it's the paper, like I thought previously. So number 1 is adding the numbers together gives the answer of tens and ones place. Number 2 is how do you need to calculate the numbers in the hundreds place. Number 3, like I suspected, is subtracting is the other part of the number. Number 4 is 8 plus 7 is 15. 8 minus 7 is 1. So the solution is 105. Number 3, we are going to focus on the little card in the wine bottle down there. Number 1 is look at the bold letters. The letters are numbers. Number 3, the letters are Roman numerals. Okay. The numbers are letter I is 1, VI 6, and V 5. Number is 165. Number 4, we are going to focus on the shapes right here, the jars with the shapes. And I should mention that there's jars here that also has shapes, but they have numbers inside. Let's see what that's all about. So, number 1, which of the 3 shapes is the next logical shape in the sequence? So 3 shapes are circle, square, and triangle. Let's see. Number 2 is alternating colors, red, blue, red, blue. As you can see, this is British English. The word color is spelled different. Number 3, alternating shapes, angular, angular, round, angular, angular, round. Number 4, missing shape, blue circle. Okay. The solution is 301. I imagine there's a circle here, and inside that circle, number 301 is in there. So, number 5, we're going to focus on the pictures. The pictures, number 1 is look at the neck accessories. Okay, so there's like different accessories here, like jewelry. Number 2 is the amount of shapes determining the position of the numbers in the final answer. Okay, number 3 is the amount of angles determines the number. Okay, so I imagine like squares has 4 angles, triangles has 3, circles have 0. I don't know. Oh, the hexagon. Okay, the hexagon has 1 hexagon, 2 diamonds, and 3 triangles. So I imagine 1, 2, and 3 is the order. So 6, 4, and 3. That is correct. 6, 4, and 3. Number 6 is we're gonna focus on the numbers. This one's a little complicated because the numbers appears to be random. So let's see what that's all about. So number 1 is the numbers on each board belong together. Okay. Number 2, what do numbers have in common? Number 3, the numbers all have common divisors. Okay. Number 4, sorry. The 3 symbols on the beam over the fish indicate the relevant answer. Okay. Yes, I noticed this when I was building assembling the puzzle. There's some little shapes right here, and those shapes are also right here. So I imagine that's what they mean by matching this shape with this shape. So number 5 is double triangle symbol, common divisor of the series is 7. Triangle and plus symbol, common divisor is 8. The snail symbol, the common divisor is 3. So 7, 8, 3. The solution is 7, 8, 3. And last but not least, number 7, which is, like I pointed out before, the paper in the dead relative's hand. Number 1, more symbols can be found on the safe. Okay. Join the symbols of the piece of paper with the symbols on the safe. Okay. Number 3, together they equal 3 numbers. Number 4, the first symbol on the piece of paper is and the first symbol on the safe create a number 4. The second create a number 9, and the third create a number 8. So 4, 9, 8. 4, 9, 8. And those are the 7 numbers that we need to reveal the answer. So now let's go back to the puzzle and find the solution. Okay, now we are back at the puzzle right here. Look at how beautiful it is. I have the numbers written right here. So the first number we're gonna look for is 3,548. That number is right here. I'm gonna take it. The next number is 115, 115. That number is right here. The next number is 165, right here. The next number is 301. That number is right here. Okay, the next number is 643. That number is located right here, 643. The number that goes after that is 783. And that number, 783, is right here. Struggle is real. There you go. And the last number, number 7, is 498, and it's located right here. So now I'm going to proceed to open this, but I'm not going to show the answer yet. I'm going to use my trusted knife. Let's see if I can get that in there. Come on. There. answer is right here, but I am not going to show it to anyone. Let's see. Let's grab these pieces and see what they form. Oops. And just like I suspected, and again, like I said from probably my first video, it was very obvious where the inheritance would be. As you can see, the shapes, the pieces that we got from the clues form pretty much the safe door, but open. So we can locate it here, and sadly we don't get to see how much money was inside the vault or anything. I wanted something like that to happen, but now we know that the answer is inside the vault. Here we got all the numbers that we got from the riddles and the picture where the answer is inside the vault. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe to the channel if you like my content. For future videos, I'm going to try to diversify a little bit. I'm going to bring some other types of puzzles, not just jigsaw puzzles. These are not the only type of puzzles I like, so I want to show you know, my skills and everything on other puzzles. So stay tuned. Again, thank you for watching, and I'll see you on my next video.